Here's Jen loading her slug gun, her Remington 870 with a slug barrel. Going to sight in her scope at 50 yards to begin with. That's loud.
Okay, then go high and to the left.
How high? You want it, and if you're trying to sight it in at for 100 yards,
yeah,
it should be a little bit high.
so I just need to move it left to right. Up.
Can you tell how high it is?
Couple inches.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Empty chamber?
Yep.
That would explain it.
Go up and see how it looks.
Sure. Tell if I've got this.
Yeah.
There it is.
Actually shot from down here.
Well, you were started off left and high and slowly moved it down.
Well, I was moving it left to right.
But
I don't know why it was
moving
going
down. Operator inconsistency.
Yeah.
You didn't adjust the up and down.
I think I'm going to shoot closer for the left and right. Get that dialed in and then worry about the up and down farther back.
What's that?
I saw the wadding fly off.
It's Hay Bale Annie. That it?
Yep. Wow, that is loud. Damn. Dead center. I see it sighted in.